Hello guys, I'm Naveen. Hope you guys are good. Do you like the previous videos? Today we are going to talk about side hustles. What are the things we can do in our side hustle to earn extra money by our skills? Okay. Firstly, before starting the side hustle, we have to do some of the listings to analyze what the things we can do. List out the favorite hobbies which will be later converted to skills. Time required to reach the intermediate level in the third thing, how demand is that in market. After analyzing these three things, and you can start practicing. And once you acquire the decent level of skills in your niche, you can start any of the into the any of the freelance platform. You can find clients by using freelance platform. Using local connections, maybe your friends or family members. But while initially starting, we may be facing struggles to get the clients. In that time, we can do like we can give discounts, like we can give discounts for initial project. We can do for it's if we are okay with it, we can do for free, and like we can and do like one paid internship because you need to gain experience and you have to build your portfolio. That's very important. Okay, but most of the things we have to stick with our goals. Maybe initially we don't get clients or we will not be appreciated for our skills. That's doesn't matter. We have to stick with consistency with what you are doing. That's the final goal. Okay, that's all for today. I'll see you soon in another video. Thank you so much. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.